very good morning to all of you. Yes, and as John mentioned, we are just over a month away, really, before everything in Japan gets a little bit more expensive as the sales tax kicks in. Now, more economists now think the BOJ, the Central Bank of Japan, there will actually need to do more, increase stimulus to cushion the impact, expand its already record bond buying program. Now, one reason behind that thinking has been what we like to call the sticky Japanese yen. I mean, it's been stuck in a tight range and recently has actually strengthened just a little bit. And, you know, for the currency to actually break out of this sort of trance, Goldman Sachs actually says the BOJ will have to do more. Now, I want to show you another chart, and what this shows you is the relationship between the Japanese yen and the BOJ's actions. The yen strengthened in January. That's just at about the same time the BOJ actually decreased its monthly bond buying program here. We were at $7.5 trillion back in October. Now we're south of about $6 trillion since the start of January. So, what's the thinking here? Well, Masashi Murata says that there is a limit to how much certainly the central bank can influence the bond markets given the current policies. In other words, they need to do more. And if you share this view, what's the recommended course of action? How do you make money, or at least how do you avoid losing too much money? Well, Franklin Templeton Investments has this note, putting out a note last week. They're saying, buy the South Korean won, buy the Malaysian ringgit on expectations, and really, as you can see, undersell. You have the Japanese yen here. A further slide in the Japanese yen. In fact, they did buy into assets denominated in these two currencies and also sold those in Japanese yen. So let me leave you with this. Just some crosses here. Yen won, there we go, 1060. That's what you have for the Japanese yen and the Malaysian currency. 4.2% obviously here. Year to date, by the way, dollar yen, of course. It's a bit of an aberration, obviously. Safe haven trades today, but then again, something to look out for, definitely. So that was your global outlook for today.